Before we begin, let me introduce the character for this group consultation workshop role play activity. We have
Okay, so group one, your case is about participation. The participation of one of the minority group, minority group sa community. So yung first ko na notice was the language used by the facilitator, which is Lucida. First is English tayo siya. And yan ang case is the community members. No? So, yeah, just observation. Although we are fluent in English, but again, we have to contextualize with the community members that we are facing. Although, very fluent naman siya. At ayun naman, the language could be a problem.
Saya iba.
And I like the discussion of limitation of
One pasamat, nakapasama.
Ay, patay ang God! I really love. Gani. Diba? Si Jade kay dili magpatinta sa katanan. Batang ama.
Lamig ni.
I don't know. Ganun na lang.
Diba? Pinaka-safe ang...
Yes, natinta na.
Mga natintal. Kini siya kay Tibay.
Tintal. Sorry.
Turo, oh, aso to. Si Aldrin ang salarin sa tanan.
Oh, ni gawas kay bandit oh.
Paraning, aning silip, silip.
Picture na sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Nice draw,
Nice draw. Tapi gamaw, dali gamaw. Salvation, dali ra.
Gamaw mo, guys. Dili.
Go, get.
Tago mi tanan niya. Dara ang diver.
Tagom siya.
Isa hardman, isa kamera.
Baka madaong mo tago parehara with you.
Pwede ka madali.
Carmen, si Capra.
Uy, ayos sa te. So cute ang aking kuko. Ay, Jesus.
Tago.
That's Aldrin, guys. And that's... Uy, wait lang ha. Mana siya amang influencer. Ikaw, guru.
Oh, yun so. Uy, mga demonyo talaga kayo.
Excuse na ina.
Carmen,
Mauna na siya. Hindi mo sure.
legit pa natin.
Sige. Kabalo na ko sa background ani. Me and the devil. Alay ko kontras pa. Hala. carrier. Our game we are playing. Unsa giniray nga dula?
Mount Sambing.
Sambin?
Bing.
Sambing. We're playing the Mount Sambing at the moment. And yes.